Today's Remy Quick Tech Tip TS-013. Today we're going to be talking about the 2001 to 2007 Chevy Silverado, the GMC Sierra, both with 6.6 liter diesel, and the 2003 to 2007 GMC C4500 and C5500 top kicks with 6.6 liter diesel engines. Now, the symptom we're going to be discussing is when you get the various trouble code sets for either a no crank, a crank but no start, hesitation, surge, and misfire. Let's look at GM Technical Service Bulletin number 04-06-04-001C for the possible causes. The TSB indicates the main engine to chassis connectors utilize a plastic tab formed into the connector body as a terminal lock. If a terminal lock is damaged or broken, the terminal will be pushed partially out of the connector body during assembly and will make poor or no contact with its mating terminal. As a result, various and intermittent engine control faults may occur. Now here's the recommended solution. Inspect the connector terminals for broken terminal locks. If so equipped, also remove the terminal position assurance comb at the back of the connector, then lightly push or pull on the wires in question. If the wire seems to move within the connector and does not lock in, the connector should be replaced. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter or alternator should be a Remy.